And the 8th contestant voted out, and the first member of our jury is Incense Holdy.
What? No, that's not right. That should have been Dapper. What happened? I was only off by 11 votes. Where did it go wrong?
See, kid, there's a thing called lying.
But didn't you go to gem school?
See, kid, there's a thing called lying.
Hey, shut up. Oh, man. I can't take another heartbreak. Yellow.
Stu, you're... You're gonna need to come to the hospital real quick.
Beep, 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 beep.
Gaza has passed away from stage 11 lung cancer. Baby hotline, please hold me close to you. Baby flatline, still time to do it too. Baby stack time, count down to Earth, but in your head she's a hoarder of quarters and no boundary boredom, the boundary boredom. I took a rat. Someday I will go back outside and see her okay.
Oh my god! Oh my room!
Hey guys, it's me, Lucas West. I just wanted to say that Santa Claus is a bitch-ass motherfucker.